Aside from wanting a firm, shapely butt, it's important to train your lower body simply. Your glutes, hips, and thighs include some of the most important and powerful muscles in the human body. In fact, your lower body includes the biggest muscle in the body, your butt, also known as the gluteus maximus. If you train your glute muscles, like other muscles, they will become stronger and grow, but their shape will not change. Bottom line, if you eat wisely and exercise intelligently, you won't be able to ever change the shape of your butt muscles. However, the appearance of its shape will eventually change. If all you've been doing for your lower body lately is the occasional lunge, it's time to mix up your routine. Our bodies move in different directions, not in one direction. So it's important to mimic that during cross-training. In this video, we will take you through these effective moves that will help ensure you never get bored working out your backside. Do each exercise 2 days per week, completing 3 sets of 12 to 15 for a lower body burn that hurts so good. Lower body strength workout shapes your legs, hips, and butt. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people, of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity and outdoor sports a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. Dumbbell or barbell lunge. Barbells impose a significantly greater degree of difficulty than dumbbells, for 2 reasons. You can use more weight with a barbell than you can a dumbbell, and it raises your center of gravity, requiring better balance and body control. Lunges target every muscle in the lower body as well, and since you're in a staggered stance, each leg will get a little more work. Goblet squat, dumbbell or kettlebell. The goblet squat is a lower body exercise, in which you hold a dumbbell or kettlebell, with both hands in front of your chest. This is the perfect exercise for engaging all of the muscles of the lower body, including the glutes. Deadlift, dumbbells or barbells. Deadlifts are great for the butt, as well as the lower back, and the hamstrings. Dumbbells give you more freedom in general, and the same holds true for deadlifts. When your barbell deadlift, the only way to alter your grip, for example, is horizontally along the bar. Barbell front squat. The barbell front squat is a compound exercise that some advanced exercisers use to target the lower body. The exercise puts less pressure on the spine than a traditional squat, where the barbell is placed on the upper back. Hip thruster. It targets the gluteal muscles better than many other lower body movements. Weighted step up. Step up, for really targeting the glutes. Keep the weight in the heel to put more emphasis on your rear. Good morning exercise with the barbell. The exercise primarily strengthens the muscles on the backside of your body. Your glutes, butt muscles, and hamstrings, backs of your thighs, drive the movement. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.